Go mode engaged. That's right. Once it's bolted in, it runs. That's the run down. It is running.
That's the main thing.
Oh, that power steering leak might have came back. Hose right now.
Okay.
Absolutely. And then you brought all that braided stuff, so I covered like anywhere this goes near headers.
Right, yeah.
Same with these sides. Anywhere they go near headers, they're all wrapped.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Your battery cable, because it goes along the top, it's all wrapped.
Yeah. Those nice new injectors.
Oh, I didn't have a spacer. You're gonna have to make a spacer. This pulley, where it was sitting,
Yeah.
it needs to come out ever so slightly. There's like this much thread sticking through the backside right here.
Okay.
It just needs a collar just to get it off that corner edge.
I got you. It's trying to pull the belt.
Yeah, it's not really trying to pull the belt. The belt's running straight. I just don't like that it's on the edge. I would rather it be on the back flat part of the pulley.
Yep.
The 6-liter block isn't threaded, so I couldn't use that relocate kit because it would only had 2 bolts. It can't use the back side bolt and it can't use the front bolt. So I've cut the bottom of this bracket off right along the trim line after and then I just measured a belt length and made it work. You got to make your bracket for this.
Yeah.
I just tied it so it doesn't hit the belt.
I'll figure that out.
I was just gonna say if you do a little L off here.
Yeah, just enough to.
And a little tab.
Yeah.
Just keep it away from that. Try to push it back a little bit to keep it out of that.
Get it off the rod, yeah.
Just didn't want to touch. The crankcase vent, it's all through just hose underneath. That one goes there. It's still got your own PCV.
Really sharp, Justin.
Rad fans, they're both connected together. So if you take them out, you got to take them out as a pair.
Okay.
But it's just got one waterproof connector there.
On it?
I do have the other half of, there's a rear one in it as well at the taillights.
Okay.
There's that connector, so when you do go to do taillights, let me know. I have the other half for those.
Okay.
And the pins for them.
Perfect. Just water in here or coolant too?
Just water.
Just water.
Yeah, I use that 300 master instead of that other one you have.
Yeah, I was gonna say it
looks
looks
right-hand drive one, so it comes in.
Fits properly.
And then brake line, where the headers and stuff were.
Yep.
I didn't like how tight it would have been.
Yeah,
so this one,
saying that just to...
I use that coating again, where your feet are gonna kick it.
Yeah.
Through to the seat,
Right
and
through
then just crosses across.
Yeah.
Hydro, I wanted to run the shortest, so it's straight through. And the lines just run across. Use the All-Star fittings there, so they actually have normal clips. Then they shoot through the floor. There's another All-Star fitting underneath, and they go in the caliper.
That is so sharp, man.
You even got a JFP placard, like
I did, eh? Let's go.
has your name on it and everything.
Let's go. Hey, zoom in on that. That's all I wanted.
So, I labeled them, but starter, ignition.
Yeah.
Taillights and headlights.
Taillights, headlights.
Headlights, when you need to go wire the headlights, we'll have to run it from the fuse all the way out.
Right.
Taillights, because we already had all the rear wiring going back to the fuel pumps.
Yeah.
I ran it through. It just got a couple of...
I'm sure there's enough of them. Like
It literally just sits to right here.
Okay, perfect.
But it's just a water pump. Your brake lights are wired to that as well.
Okay.
Brake lights and tail lights are both wired to that.
Awesome.
I had to order a button. It was back ordered, so I'm gonna see if I can find another one.
Okay.
Your brake pedal that goes up, where it hits the stopper, it didn't have a button on it, so it's just a hole. You can use a carriage bolt if you want, and just thread it on the back, or I can try to get a plastic button. It's got one of the one that was in there.
Just as a stopper?
No, to push the plunger on the brake switch.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
It's just a hole, the plastic.
On the back of the pedal.
Yeah, on the pedal itself.
I gotcha.
Yeah. You'll see where the brake switch is. It's just a hole behind it.
Right.
This switch will have to go in your switch panel too. That is your isolator switch.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I had it up there, so I had a. But
Just
that's
an
like
easy
I use one of the labels out of there, so right on the face of that, it has your. It just says arm kill.
Perfect.
That will kill everything the way the isolator set up.
Right. But like if I was just turning the car off normally, I'd just hit ignition off and then.
Well, it's all power ignition, so if you hit.
Oh, rain!
Deck's removed. It's got a golf ball shifter. Is this business? My bad, my bad.
What the man? It'll still leave the
Right, the power's still on for. I got you.
and that just kills the isolator. The isolator's up against the firewall behind that.
Yep.
But if you are running it on like the first time when we had Josiah's,
Yeah.
on the wrong side, it'll kill everything.
Right, yeah.
Like the alternator won't keep it charging. It
Yeah.
charges that without those wires on that alternator. It's like 13.8 to 14 volts.
Oh, really?
It's like bang on.
Yeah. Sweet. Oh, that's perfect, man. Exactly what I wanted. How weird being on this side.
This is gonna be your actual first time driving a right-hand drive.
Yeah. No, I drove Chris's
First time
Chaser.
driving this under its own power.
Yeah.
It's an LS. What was it? We had looked at it the other day. LS pressure plate and an ACT clutch, like the 6-puck. Either way. It probably sounds like with no exhaust.
It could sound way better.
Yeah. It just runs phenomenal.
Yeah.
It just sounds like a truck. Truck bangs.
Out on.
She's stiff.
Fitment? On point. In there, we can try to get the door. Ethan, you want to go?
That'll clear.
It's all smoky in here, man.
This thing's rowdy.
Now time to paint it.
It's not green?
Yeah.
Rain actually wants it green.
Yeah.
If you guys ever build another drift car, bring it down with the interior already painted.
I know, Justin, but then you would have scratched it.
I don't care.
Cam?
Good luck trying to paint that inside right now.
No, we're not worrying about the inside. We just want the outside.
I'm just gonna spray the whole thing white. I'll bag that. I'll take the dash.
It's like the fuel and stuff back here, the brake line. It's
I
like,
know.
oh
Man, I
my.
think it would look so good if it was this color.
No, he has to leave the roof green at least.
Yeah, it's not green.
No, you don't.
Rain wants the green
Why
so
don't we just
bad.
take like that green color and just throw spots all over the car and leave the rest of the primer and that green there?
We're not doing that. That ain't going nowhere. Oh my god.
What do you think, man?
Pumped. Thing's rowdy. I knew we should have brought that shifter though. Look, I'm bleeding.
Oh, no, you're fine.
Yeah, I bang second. Bang. Nah, I didn't.
No, you didn't bang second. I
Actually-
heard you up on the hill, though.
You know what? Now that I've been driving sim right-hand drive for,
It's not bad.
it's not. It was just kind of second nature. But if you look, This is not my driving side.
Ooh.
So, well, better watch out on that side. That's all I'm saying.